Energy is needed for all mechanical activities, whether they are humans or appliances. They need energy. Here we go on good sources of energy. This is submitted by Akan Sahu of class 10th B, roll number 2, and it is submitted to Archana ma'am. What is a good source of energy? It produces a lot of heat per unit mass. It does a huge amount of work per unit mass. It is easily accessible. It is easy to store and transport. It is economical and produces less amount of smoke. Heading from top of the classification tree, sources of energy are classified as conventional and non-conventional sources. Coal, petroleum, electricity, firewood, straw, cow dung are some conventional sources, and bioenergy, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, thermal energy, energy from urban waste are some non-conventional sources of energy. Coal. This is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock with a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbons. This is classified as a non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. Coal contains the energy stored by plants that lived hundreds of millions years ago in swampy forest. But it cannot be called a good source of energy as it produces satisfactory amount of heat, but it produces a lot of smoke and generates carbon dioxide, which is a pollutant. Petroleum or oil took millions of years for its formation. It is made up of organic material formed from dead plants and animals. It is a pretty good source of energy, but when burnt, it also releases CO2 and other greenhouse emissions, which are harmful to ozone as it leads to its depletion. Natural gas is a non-renewable hydrocarbon used as a source of energy for heating, cooking, and electricity generation. Most natural gas was created over time by two mechanisms, biogenic and thermogenic. It is found to be a more clean energy alternative. It burns more cleanly than other fossil fuels, emitting lower levels of harmful emissions such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxides. It produces less greenhouse gases than other fossil fuels do. It doesn't produce ash or particulates that cause health problems. It's not as clean as renewable energy sources such as wind or solar, but because it's abundant, relatively inexpensive, and easy to use, many consider it as a good source of energy. Hydroelectric power. It is fueled by water, so it's a clean fuel source, meaning it won't pollute the air like power plants that burn fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas. Hydroelectric power is a domestic source of energy, allowing each state to produce their own energy without being reliant on international fuel sources. Producing hydroelectric power is quite economical and it is also a cleaner source of energy, so it can be considered a good source of energy. Non-commercial energy sources are available in the environment free of cost. They produce a good amount of energy on burning, but these can't be considered a good source of energy as they produce a lot of smoke. Solar energy is defined as the transformation of energy that is present in the sun and is one of the renewable energies. Once the sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, most of it is in the form of visible light and infrared radiation. Solar cell panels are used to convert this energy into electricity. Solar energy is clean and it can be considered the cleanest form of energy as there is no emission of carbon dioxide. It is renewable, it is reliable, reduction in utility costs, it is free energy because it can be trapped easily, but it's not economical. Installation and the initial cost of the materials are expensive, therefore, This can't be considered a good source of energy. Wind energy. It is a form of solar energy. It describes the process by which wind is used to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. A generator can convert mechanical power into electricity. It's a clean fuel resource. Wind energy doesn't pollute the air like power plants that rely on combustion of fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas does. Wind turbines don't produce atmospheric emissions that cause acid rain or greenhouse gases. On the other side, it's very expensive to install it, and therefore, it is not economical and can't be considered a good source of energy. Tidal energy. This is a renewable energy powered by the natural rise and fall of ocean tides and currents. Some of these technologies include turbines and paddles. It is produced by the surge of ocean waters during the rise and fall of tides. The picture here shows the installation of a tidal energy generating plant. Tidal power can be considered reliable. It has high energy density than other renewable energy forms. It produces no greenhouse gases or other waste. Tidal turbines are 80% efficient, which is higher than solar or wind energy generators. But just like solar panel and windmill, installing the setup to produce tidal power is cost effective and is very expensive, so it can't be considered a good source of energy.